Good morning, everyone. I am Arpita Oberoi and I am here to present on the topic Internet of Things, which is in short called IoT. So, you might be wondering, what is IoT? IoT, the Internet of Things, refers to a system of interrelated, internet connected objects that are able to collect and transfer data over a wireless network without human intervention. The Internet of Things is making the fabric of the world around us more smarter and more responsive, merging the digital and physical universe. Simply, we can say IoT is about connecting machines or things that were previously dumb objects. We can say example from a toaster to a security camera. It connects to the internet in order to transmit the data they collect, monitor them and enable them to talk to each other. So, what is the need for IoT? IoT can be used for devices to interact, collaborate, and share experience, which can even reduce the human intervention in the machine cycle. Apart from what is IoT and what is the need of IoT, there are many applications of IoT. Firstly, IoT can be helpful in healthcare, then smart cities, agriculture, industrial automation, and disaster management. IoT can be helpful in healthcare by the use of variables or sensors connected to patient allows doctor to monitor a patient's condition outside the hospital and in real time. Through continuously monitoring certain metrics and automatic alerts on their vital signs, the Internet of Things helps to improve the care for patients and the prevention of lethal events in high risk patients. Another use is the integration of IoT technology into hospital beds, giving way to smart beds equipped with special sensors to observe vital signs, blood pressure, oximeter, and body temperature, among others. IoT in healthcare provides real time data, it makes devices smarter, provides superior analytics. IoT in smart cities. IoT offers new opportunities for cities to use data to manage traffic, cut pollution, make better use of infrastructure, and keep citizens safe and clean. Smart cities use IoT devices such as connected sensors, lights, and meters to collect and analyze data. The city then uses this data to improve infrastructure, public utilities, and services, and more. IoT in smart cities improve public safety. Thirdly, IoT can be helpful in agriculture. New agricultural applications in smart farming and precision farming through IoT will enable the industry to increase operational efficiency, lower cost, reduce waste, and improve the quality of their yield. Precision agriculture is one of the most famous applications of IoT in the agricultural sector, and numerous organizations are leveraging this technique around the world. IoT can be helpful in industrial automation. The essentials for industrial IoT are connectivity, industrial things, cloud platforms, insights, and actions. IoT can be helpful in disaster management. The use of IoT in disaster management can help us in predicting calamities, alerting authorities at any early stage, and rescuing people affected by disaster, thus potentially saving lives, money, and resources. The use of IoT in disaster management can help transform our current reactive disaster management approach into a proactive one. The introduction of IoT aims at minimizing risk and, if possible, avert a disaster from happening in the first place. Applications of IoT in disaster management can help in monitoring earthquakes, combating forest fires, safeguarding power plants, rescuing people, planning for future. There are many benefits of IoT. Basically, it has main top 5 benefits which are very important in this world. In this current scenario, the Internet of Things technology is playing a vital role in this enterprise for their future business. The technology has a significant impact on both common people and professional workers. IoT has benefits and perks which can help enterprise common people to make their life easy. Some of the benefits are highlighted. Achieving customer centricity for any business or any organization. Customer satisfaction is a very critical factor that needs to be always focused. By using advanced IoT technology like mobile card readers or smart trackers which can be used to enhance the customer experience. By using mobile card readers, it can help to conduct all transactions on smartphones very smoothly. Secondly, gathering rich data. For any type of organization, the data is termed as the most important weapon. The organization are extensively using the IoT models and methodology in their business for gathering a huge chunk of data about customers and company products. Thirdly, enhanced security measures. The IoT enables the access control system to provide additional security for the organization and common people. The use of IoT technology in surveillance can help to improve security standards in the organization and also help to track any suspicious activity. In the organization, it can be useful to track the activities of an employee and can also be used to maintain their daily record. Fourth, reduction in operational costs. Advancement of IoT technologies can benefit the organization to reduce their operational costs and other costs to earn maximum profit. Every organization tries to reduce their operational costs, but only that enterprise becomes successful, which uses maximum use of IoT solutions for this purpose. There is a need for constant connection to the smart devices and organization so that operational costs can be reduced for the organization. Fifth, use of smart devices. Across all enterprises, the use of smart devices can increase the insignificant amount and is accepted by the organizations. There is an advancement in smart devices application and used in different sectors like transportation, hospitality, healthcare, and education. Till now, we have understood what is IoT, what is the need of IoT, and what are the different applications of IoT around the world. But it is necessary to understand what is the future scope of IoT. I'll explain this very briefly now. Future scope of IoT is virtually unlimited due to advances in technology and consumer desires to integrate devices such as smartphones with household machines. A networking and connectivity protocol has made it possible to connect people and machines on all platforms. IoT offers excellent career opportunities which needs to be harnessed. However, it requires you to have the necessary skill, which is going to be a key differentiator. Internet of Things has emerged as a leading technology around the world. It has gained a lot of popularity in lesser time. Also, the advancements in the artificial intelligence and machine learning have made the automation of IoT devices easy. Basically, AI and ML programs are combined with IoT devices to give them proper automation. Due to this, IoT has also expanded in areas of application in various sectors.